Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to have an amazing 2018. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget I have another video on my other channel, Wellness with Jess, this week, so I'll leave that as a link down below. You can go check it out and subscribe. Turn on notifications as well, don't forget. And I have something so exciting to let you guys know before we get into this video, so hold up, please do not skip forward. I have finally released a new product on Educationary, my stationery line. So go to my website after this video, you can check it out, but I have released a new essay planner. Wait, I should actually show you the essay planner. Okay, are you ready? Here he is! I am so excited. I don't know if the camera's really gonna focus on it because it's focusing on my face. However, I have released a blue essay planner after all of you guys commented that you really wanted a baby blue one, and it also comes with an instruction sheet on how to write an awesome essay. So I'm very excited. You can go and check it out on the Educationary website. It's educationarybijess.com. It'll all be linked down below. But hey, new year, new school year, you guys have to get organized, get ready to write your essays, and I'm bringing some motivation. So I hope you guys are excited about the new color. It is finally available to purchase online. So please do check it out and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you the sort of things that are really important to think about throughout this year in order to really get the most of it. And I'm also going to share a little bit about my vision board and how you guys can DIY a vision board for your desk or your room, because I think they're pretty powerful and they really do increase my motivation and help me stick to all of my healthy habits. So the first thing to keep in mind is to care less about what people think of you. Like my dad always says, it's none of your business what others think of you. Just know that if you love and accept yourself exactly as you are, that is all that matters. Also, identify and get rid of any drainers. That means toxic relationships, toxic food, clutter, anything that no longer serves you and that's holding you back from being your best self. Another way to have the best year ever is to smile more, watch more comedy shows, hang out with your friends, be silly, let loose, lose your inhibition, just allow yourself to be free. A smile honestly lifts your mood and it makes you so much more optimistic. You draw the right kind of people into your life when you're positive, so just be more lighthearted and smile more. And also when you smile at others, they will return a smile and it makes you feel amazing. Spend less time watching TV and on all of your devices. Be in the now, be mindful and be present. Enjoy what's going on around you and stay out of that tiny little world where you're completely glued to your phone and you miss all those other amazing moments. Time just kind of flies by otherwise. Practice gratitudes. This is something that I do every morning in my meditation. I think about everything I'm really grateful for. And when you think about all of those positives and the things that you truly appreciate about your life, you attract more of that. And speaking of gratitudes and my morning meditation, meditate every day. Even if it's just for a couple of minutes, a few deep breaths to center yourself and start your day on the right track, it makes a huge difference. Focus on your core values and don't get so caught up in all of life's distractions. That means drama, technology, anything going around that just adds noise into your mind. What's really important to you, whether it's your health, your education, focus on that. And don't allow yourself to get so wound up about anything else that's going on. Get planning. Pencil into your diaries date nights, adventures, holidays, time off. Don't wait till things kind of start falling apart or you start to feel really burnt out and run down to then schedule them in and try and prioritize them. They should get priority from day one so that you know that you're creating an amazing year ahead and you have lots of things to look forward to. Get outdoors daily. I feel like we do not get outside enough, and days where I don't get outside, boy do I feel it, and boy does Adam notice my mood changes. So even if it's just for a short little walk or spending a day at the beach, being outside with nature helps you to stay more grounded, more calm, and make better decisions in life. Read more, and I don't mean read more textbooks and things for your studies. Read books that nourish your soul and that impart wisdom onto you. Read books that you're really drawn to, and just have some time out every day, even if it's just to read 10 pages. Look for lessons in all of life's challenges. Sometimes we don't really see why we went through things and what the benefits were until many months later, but in hindsight, we realized that there was always something that we could learn from those challenges. So try and have a more positive mindset about them and just be a bit more optimistic. Embrace change. Every year brings new opportunities, 365 days worth of opportunities, should I say. And it's really important that you're open to change, because without change we don't grow. Even though it can be comfortable to have things stay the same, eventually it's going to get boring and you're going to realize that you didn't achieve much. So be open to change and get excited about new things. Keep a journal. Allow your mind to run every day and just write down anything and everything that comes to mind, whether it's good things, things that have been really challenging. It's amazing how much clarity you can gain from just having 10 minutes to write down your thoughts and keeping a journal. And this is a big one, it's to let go of everything that happened in 2017. So whatever happened, if it was challenging, if it was amazing, anything that you went through, it was there to serve a purpose, and it's going to help you going forward in 2018. Whatever you went through, there was a reason for it, and it got you to where you are today. All right, now I want to get DIYing and talk a little bit about vision boards, because I honestly think that it's going to help you with sticking to your goals, your healthy habits, and having the right mindset, making sure that you're going to make 2018 your best year yet. So this is my little baby, this is my vision board, and first off I just wanted to say that a vision board, it can be cheap, it doesn't have to be expensive or anything too fancy. This is actually from Target, and I think each one of these frames was about $10 or $15. And it's really important that you display meaningful images and quotes. So every quote that I have on my vision board, it resonates with me in some way, and it helps me to remember what's really important to me and what to focus on day to day. And some of the images there as well, it's not just to add a little bit of color and make it really stylish. Again, it is really important to me, and it reflects things like my relationship, my lifestyle, my diet. You can also use your vision board to display your goals and have it as a little reminder for your healthy habits that you wanted to implement into your lifestyle. I don't typically display my goals on my vision board just because I have them written down anywhere and everywhere else, including my calendar, but it can be really handy for a lot of people. So to make your vision board, I really suggest that first off, you spend an afternoon just compiling different images and things you want to display, maybe even buying some different quote cards. Mine are from Kiki K and I'm obsessed with them, I just bought another deck. And also make sure that you're reflecting on your values and your priorities for the year when you're choosing the different kinds of quotes and images that you're going to include. I've had a vision board for a few years now, and I'm a big believer that what you think you create and attract. So having these sort of things displayed in front of you that you see every day, it's going to affect the kind of choices you make. You're going to be more mindful, and it's going to help you inch yourself closer towards creating a life that you really want for yourself. So comment below if you already have a vision board, and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a link to my other video that's on Wellness with Jess this week, and I'm also talking about healthy habits and other related topics for 2018 that are very suited for January on that channel, and this one for the coming weeks. So do check them out and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Mwah! Bye guys!